Right, hi guys, it's Philip English here again. So we're at another stand and we are having a look at what appears to be a 3D printed robot with some quite smart technology for the home. So I've got a lady here who's going to introduce herself and give us an overview of what the robot's all about. So please can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, my name is Yuki Nakagawa, CEO of this company, RT Corporation. So we developed for the research and the student robot education robots.
Right. So this robot is a mixture of a few different projects. So you have students that give you a hand from the university. You have the university, and so from what I understand, it's completely 3D printed. Is that right?
Yeah, this robot is named Shura 17. That is a 3D printed humanoid robot because it's for the research. And if a student want to revise the model, so we give them a 3D model for the 3D printers, and they can do it.
Yeah. Well, I suppose if it's 3D, it's a lot cheaper to produce, and it's a lot easier to produce. I mean, if a student wanted to make a robot, then like how long would it take them to make? You know, would it be quite a while or?
It's a difficult question. So we developed for this robot for the 6 months.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
And all included in a vision system and how to move the motions like that.
Right. I see. And then I suppose what's the problem that the robot solves? I mean, so the reason why it's being created. So what's the main problem that the robot solves?
For the research.
For the research.
Yeah.
And then eventually you're looking to get it to be like a home robot. Mm-hmm. Is that the plan?
Yeah, and a home robot or a collaborative robot.
Right, okay. So at the moment it's a research project, but you're looking to develop it to become more of a commercial product, is that right? Or?
It's not for the consumer robot because we developed for this robot for the research and they made a future.
Right, okay, I understand. So take me through how it works then. So it uses obviously the camera here to see the obstacle, to pick it up and then put it in the box.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. And then what's this camera that you got here?
Mm-hmm. That camera is in a real sense, and that camera watches on cutleries or the dishes, and to distinguish which is which. And the robot has hands. That is normal hands, but they can it can handle the spoon, cup, and the dishes in the same hands. And usually, industrial robot changes on the hands if each different object.
Right, I see. So the advantage of this one is that you wouldn't change the hand for a different object. It can pick up multiple different objects.
Yeah, exactly.
Right.
Because vision distinguish what by what.
Right.
Yeah.
And then do you have to teach the robot what it's picking up? So do you have to say, okay, that's a cup, that's a bowl, and then it understands, and then it can pick each one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Depending on the AI, so we can do such a way.
Okay. I can definitely see the advantage, and I can see the progression. It's probably because I put the cup there funny, but I'm really impressed with the way, obviously, that all this has been built. So this is obviously being built up in 3D, and then all of the mechanics are there. So what's the future step? What's the next step for you guys?
Next step. This robot next step is intelligent.
Intelligent?
Yeah.
Okay. So is that more of a software thing?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
you learn a software, but will you keep the robot as a 3D printed robot?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So
okay.
We have many another 3D printed robots.
Oh right. So
robot arms and the other ones.
Right, so there's many different types.
Yeah.
Okay, and do you find that it's more of a development on the software now? So it's just Corley on the software. Okay, so do you think in a few years RT Corporation will release a product to the market, or is it always going to be a research?
This robot is already in market for the research purpose.
Oh,
and we have
research.
another business.
Yeah.
We developed for the food picking robot in the food factory.
Oh wow.
Yes.
Okay. And is that a 3D printed robot as well?
Food picking robot in the prototype is 3D printed, but
Right.
in the future we will be change the exterior.
Right. Okay. Okay. No, that's very impressive. Okay, guys. So yeah, so that's quite a good overview of RC Corporation. I'll put in some links and details so we can learn a little bit more about them, and then we'll do a video of him picking up the glass as well. But that's very much appreciated. So thank you very much for your time.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Okay.